Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is what happened if on weekend I cannot go traveling, I cannot go meeting people. Well, yes, this is possible that I hang out with people, with friends, but staying at home is, at this moment, is better than anything else. Okay, then I happened to open my clothes cupboard and also arranging a little bit of my clothes. And I found this old pullover. This high neck sweater. This color, I don't know why. It's like actually not my favorite color, but I think it's cool because it's cropped here and it's very comfortable to wear. I just don't know how to match with my hair. So I got an idea. I have 6 different hairstyle that can be fit with this high neck pullover, and I want it cool because it makes me busy on weekend, and I will show you about this mix and match with one pullover, 6 different hair. Okay. Your original long hair. You don't do anything with your hair, just let it natural like this. All you need to have is the long earring like that, and you can match with your other jewelry and it will look nice and you're set. This time you need the hairband and rubber. All you need to do is make the high ponytail and you roll down with your hairband, and then you make it very, not necessary to be very neat, it's just like can be a little bit messy, but then you put on your favorite jewelry, like my favorite one is the pearl ear plug, and you're ready. With this classic style, all you need to have is your favorite hair clip. Mine is the goldy one, and also the bohemian feather earrings. You need to have the back hair clip ready, and also don't forget to put on your earrings, of course. This style, I have to admit, it is when I'm lazy to make up my hair, so I just grab my hair clip and also my favorite hoop earrings like this. This is a big one, or I would say extra big, and then I just only put it on and I'm ready to fit it with my high neck sweater. You need to have 2 pieces of hair clip and 1 piece of earring. Why only 1? Because this is a drop down side hair. You can only see 1 ear of yours, so you don't need a pair of earrings, just only 1 piece. And don't forget to choose your favorite earring with a contrast color of your sweater, and then you're ready. Last but not least, all you need to have is the small BOHO earrings and 2 hairband. First of all, try to put on the hair clip and make it high, and then put on your hairband. Choose the color that is a little bit similar with your high neck sweater, and the other hairband can be fit with your hair color. Mine is black because my original color of my hair is black, and then you put on your hoop earrings, of course, and voila! Okay, I hope you like my video and it can inspire you or doing something else, and also mix and match of your old stuff in your wardrobe. Okay, thank you very much for being with me. See you again next video with another stories of me living in Switzerland and also my activities. Okay, I hope that you stay positive, happy, and see you. Bye.